Hello everyone. In order to power strategic initiatives like marketing transformation, data science platform, next best experience, and to manage risk and compliance, you heard Suresh talk about the need for enterprises to invest in an intelligent 360 foundation. I'm very excited to demo how Informatica leverages techniques like machine-assisted curation, graph technology, and context matching to bring together master data, transaction data, and interaction data, and build this enterprise 360 platform to help drive those strategic initiatives. Lots of exciting stuff to show. Let's dive right into it. I'm logged into Informatica's Customer 360 solution as a marketeer for Claire Motors, an automobile company with a portfolio of brands to cover different market segments. We have recently entered the electric car segment with the launch of a new EV car. This is my homepage with rich analytics tailored for me. I can drill down into any of these charts and do further analysis. So as a marketeer, I need to find micro segments to run some personalized campaigns to drive brand awareness and growth. For this, I will go into a new segmentation dashboard. This segmentation dashboard provides a sandbox environment for me to create the segments that align with my campaign. My segmentation dashboard has two previous defined segments, behavior-based segment and dealership-based segment. For my new EV campaign, I'm going to leverage my current behavior-based segment that has 4 sub-segments: electric vehicle affinity score, brand sentiment, the purchase indicator, and interaction keywords. As I want to have a very targeted and personalized campaign, I'm going to further narrow these subsegments by applying additional filters. As you can see, Claire has recommended some filters to me. Additionally, I have a lot of other attributes that I can use for filtering, including derived attributes like churn risk. In order to create a new segment for my EV campaign, I'm going to use 4 filters. 3 of the filters are leveraging other master data domains, which are location, product, and contracts. I will also use a 4th filter, which is a combination of campaign, which is a transaction data set, and campaign response, which is an interaction data set. As you will see, this kind of complex segmentation is only possible if you have connected the dots between master data, transaction data, and interaction data. Let's pick the first filter, which is location-based. I'm going to pick cities that have a population of over 1 million. Note that all the subsegments have changed as the segment gets narrower. I'm going to add my second filter, which is product-based. I'm going to pick customers that already own a hybrid car. The reason being, they are the most likely to upgrade to a EV car. Now I'm going to pick customers that have a lease expiring in the next 12 months. This is basically a proxy for the contract domain. The last filter I want to apply is campaign-based. By simply highlighting it, the campaign filter, and using a hotkey, I can surface up the data governance pop-up. Here I can see the governed definition of what this filter condition means. So I can get a reasonable expectation of how it will affect my segmentation. I can also see related policies that govern the use of this filter. This way I can be confident that I can use it in a manner consistent with my corporate privacy and security policies. Since I know I'm good to use campaign as a filter, I'll close this pop-up. Let's apply this filter by picking customers that have shown an EV interest either by attending our auto show or viewed our EV-related web content. I'm going to apply this. And now I have applied all 4 filters: location, product, contracts, and campaign. And now I have a revised behavior subsegment. Let's drill further down into the interaction keyword subsegment that's leveraging NLP techniques and find out the customers that have environmentally friendly as top of the mind. Now I have a microsegment of my customers that live in cities, more than 1 million people, are using hybrid cars, have leases that are expiring in 12 months, have responded positively to my EV campaigns, and for whom environmental friendliness is top of the mind. For this microsegment, I can also get aggregated insights like customer potential, loyalty profile, churn propensity, etc. I can also export this list and send it to my marketing app and run a micro campaign to offer these specific customers exclusive offers for lease or just keep them engaged. Now let me drill into one of these customers, that's Dan Smith. This is my rich 360-degree view of Dan Smith that is built by linking master data, transaction data, and interaction data. We call this view of perspective as it is a 360-degree view tailored for my role. I can see Dan is a high potential customer and has average sentiment. As a marketeer, another invaluable resource for me is the customer journey map. But in the interest of time, I will switch to the data stewardship UI to show more of the sausage making and how we use ML-based matching, contextual MDM capabilities, and graph techniques to create the master data record and then link it to transaction and interaction records. I am now in the data stewardship UI, and as you can see, I have two perspectives, an operational one on the left-hand side and the marketing one on the right-hand side. Perspective, as I stated earlier, is basically a role or a department-based 360-degree view. The operational one is highly governed and uses the MDM golden record, whereas the marketing perspective is built using lower confidence data. As you can see, I have lower match thresholds for possible ones as well as probable ones. Also, the match thresholds can vary by domain or object type. So it's different for people to people matching or people to, say, a chat matching. Let's drill into the donut chart now. I am diving into the match review for confirmed links, and this gives me a list of matches that have a confidence of greater than 90. I can override it if I need to, but what I'm going to do is switch back to the marketing stewardship dashboard and drill into the possible links review. Here I have two records for Walker. They have the same email address, the same phone number. I can go ahead and confirm that they are the same person. I'm going to go ahead and link these records. I'm going back to my marketing stewardship dashboard, and I want to introduce contextual matching. For this, I am going to select the web chats and drill into the possible links related to the web chats. Let's open a web chat that Ninia Fox recently had with us. Using contextual matching, we are able to use a combination of natural language processing and machine learning techniques to understand relevant information from the unstructured data like a web chat or an email and use that as an input to the matching engine. In this case, I am able to take the chat email address, the order number, the phone number in the transcript, and use that as additional data points to link this web chat to the customer. In our case, Ninia Fox, the web chat person, is same as Ninia Fox, the customer. I can go ahead and link this. So this was a quick demo of how Informatica is bringing a new breed of AI and machine learning driven capabilities to help you create an Enterprise 360 platform that can power your strategic initiatives. Thanks for your time.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed your time with us today and you've gained some really valuable insights. If you missed any of the content, it'll all be available on demand, so come back anytime and please watch the rest. Once again, I'd like to thank our speakers for sharing so many valuable insights with us today. Finally, as Amit mentioned, What's truly unique about Informatica is that we're 100% focused on helping you drive forward with your data-driven digital transformation. Thank you once again for joining us, and have a great rest of day.